very good evening to all of you. Students, I'm back again with another video. In this video, we will be saying how to take input to an array. Okay, today in this video, I will demonstrate you how to take inputs to an array. Once we create an array, how to take input to an array, that means how to insert values to an array, right? So to do this, there are basically four ways. As you can see in the screen, assignment method. Second one is function arguments, scanner class, and input stream data class. So one question may come from this part, maybe of 2 marks. What are the various possible ways to take input to an array? Answer is this four methods or four ways, right? So slowly and gradually we'll cover up all these four topics. But in this video, I'll be demonstrating you how to take input to an array using assignment statement. That is using assignment operator. So keep watching. Basically, in this method, the data values that the array elements are defined in the program itself, like this. As you can see the screen over here, array 1 is the array name. The data values, this 10, 20, 30, 40 are assigned in the program itself. Let's quickly demonstrate you. It's very easy and short program. Let's quickly demonstrate you through a Bluej Editor how it works. So let's code it from scratch, that means from beginning. Practical demonstration. Let me quickly take you to the Bluej. So let's stop this and come to this Bluej over here. So this is a Bluej screen. So let us first write here class input1. As you can see, I've already written the input1, already defined the class. Inside this we'll write a main method, public static void main string args. Correct. Now we need to declare array, right? Suppose array1 equal to, let us give here 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, this is taking inputs to array, taking inputs to an array. So as you can see, students, class, then the main method, then we have initialized the array that is taking inputs to an array. So inputs spelling it will be corrected, taking inputs to an array. So size of the array is 5 because there are 5 elements. Now we need to print this array. That means we need to access this array. That means we need to print this array in the output screen. Accessing means to use it or to retrieve the array list. This is the array list having 5 elements, as you can see in the screen, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Directly we can do like this. Data type, array declare array variable name, assignment operator, and this inside this curly bracket we have to write using commas. Right. Now we need to use a for loop over here. Let us declare a control variable here itself, int I equal to, suppose let us give 0 as array index start from 0. Okay, I less than, how many elements are there? 5 elements. I less than equal to 4. So 0 to 4 it is 5. I plus plus. I hope this is clear, students. That means 4 times we need to print this array. Inside this for loop body will write over a system dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. Just, it's very simple. First we have to declare a class, then the curly bracket, and then again the main method. Then here is the curly bracket. This syntax for the writing a program. This is the array. This is the main topic. This for this the video I am making this video for this one. How to take inputs using assignment method. This is the line which I'm highlighting with the cursor. Now this for loop 0 to 4 it is this one. There are 5 elements will print, or you can write here less than 5 also. That means 0 to 4 only. Total 5 elements. System dot println. So we can print this, print or we can write print over here. We can write here directly like this. Array elements are array elements. We can write a message also. Array elements are, okay. This is the message we want to print to the user. So we can print it over here before the for loop, because or else it will be printed 5 times. Now inside this we will write here what to write. Student, any guess? We have to print the array. So what is the array name? The array name is array1, right? Array name is array1. Then we'll print this I over here, because as the I value is increasing, it will print the value over here. Now close this for loop, close this class. Sorry, first the main method, then the class. Now compile this, check any error is there or not. So let us see how to debug the code. Illegal initialization for int. Why it is telling like that? Let us debug it. Okay, let us compile it again. Illegal initializations for int, right? So let me debug this one. Array required but int found. Array required but int found. Okay, got it. This is what is array symbol is missing over here. Compile it again, no syntax error, because this is array type, but it must have a normal variable. So this is array variable now. Now close this one. Let us compile it once again. No syntax error. Students, minimize this. Open the Bluej. Right click on this. Then the main method over here. I think let us open the editor. Something is wrong over here. No, array inputs. Okay, we have taken the class name as array input. As you can see, we have to give our array input over here. Okay, so let us compile the code once again. Close this one. Right click on this. Main method is here. This one. So as you can see, students, elements are little bit closer to each other. So to make a put gap in between, we can put some gap over here, space. Then we have to add this space with this array. We can do this. Let us check once again. Right click on this. This is a gap over here. Array elements are this one. I hope it is clear, students. So my motive to make this video series to make you understand with the practical demonstrations how to take inputs to an array. Suppose now if I want to take string inputs, so let us change this integer to string. Okay, now string, as you know, always be in double quote. Let us print here. Suppose Avik, comma, then again Anik. Okay, then any other name, suppose Rahul, comma, then Rahul. Let us give R in capital letter, students. Then again, let us give comma over here, then Anuj over here. Try to understand, it's very simple. Stepwise, try to build an algorithm in your mind. First, what to do? Suppose if it is said in the question to print names, there is name means string. Collection of characters in array is known as a string. So obviously it should be in the double quote. Avik, Anik, Rahul, and there are 4 I have taken. Then 4 means it should be less than 4 or less than equal to 3. Less than equal to 3 also you can write, or less than 4 you can write. So 0 to 3 it is 4 elements. Now let us print this, compile it, no syntax error, close this one, and right click on this main method. You can see it is the output is this one: Avik, Anik, Rahul, and Anuj. I hope this is clear, students. Now string inputs I have showed you, students. Integer inputs I have also shown you. If I want to take character inputs, let me show you this one. Suppose collection of, this is a single character, right? So in single quote, suppose A, comma, in single quote B, comma, single quote C, comma, single quote D, right? So we need to change this string to char. Okay, now compile this code. no syntax error. Strings should be in double quote, characters will be in single quote. Okay, now close this one, right click on this main method. So this is the output of the code ABCD. I hope this is clear. That means the main logic which you are writing over here is in the for loop part, we're changing here, and accordingly in the question you need to change the data type, what type of array it is. If it is integer, write int. If it is string, it is write string. Or if it is char, the right character. Character, then write char, right? So I hope this is clear. So writing a code from beginning, writing a code from scratch, from beginning, and debug it by your own. See, there was some error was there because I forgot to give this symbol over here. So as you are using this editor, it will show you what kind of error it is. See, what is the error? Illegal initializer for char, because all these are array types. We cannot declare char type like this. Either we have to declare normally as we declare character type variables, or you have to use array over here. So this symbol is must, array symbol. I hope this is clear, students. Let us close this one. Move on to the PPT. The next slide is this one. Any doubt, any problem, any difficulty in understanding, please do comment and ask me, because I want class to be interactive. The next video series I'll be teaching you how to take input from Bluej system, scanner class, and buffer reader class. 3 things are left. Thank you. Take care.